and welcome to this instruction clip in which we will discuss how to use the FWO E-Portal as a panel member. You will use the E-Portal in different steps of the evaluation process. This instruction clip focuses on the technical aspects of using the E-Portal for these steps. In order to perform any task as a panel member, you should have access to the E-Portal. You gain access using your ORCID account or your email address to log into our system. As a panel member, you will mainly access documents by clicking on the menu item Panel Member in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. On the dashboard, you can see an overview of all action items that require your attention. All emails from FWO, which are also sent to your email address, will appear in the menu on the right side of your screen. An important step in the evaluation procedure is preparing and submitting the internal evaluation reports. You will be invited by FWO via email to evaluate the applications assigned to you. In order to draft and submit your evaluation reports, you should access the e-portal, click on the panel member button followed by the reviews button in the navigation bar. You have now arrived in the overview screen and can select My Reviews to see a list of all applications assigned to you both in your role as internal evaluator as well as rapporteur. In the first phase of the evaluation process, you should only write reports for the applications for which you have been selected as internal evaluator, and for those you will see the status Invited. To access the page to draft and submit your report, click on the pencil icon for these applications. Once you click on the pencil, you will enter the template in which to write your review. The review has 3, or in the interdisciplinary panel 4, different tabs. One for your comments on the research group, one for your comments on the project, and one for your comments on the budget. In each tab, you should fill out the sections of the report as indicated, commenting on strengths, weaknesses, etc. Scores are given via the drop-down menu. You can save your review by clicking on the Save button in the upper right corner. Access to the scoring grids and the application is available via the buttons in the left-hand corner of the screen. Here you can also still decline the review, should this be necessary. Please only use this option in case of force majeure. Once your review is done, you can submit it by clicking on the Submit button in the bottom left corner of the page. After all internal and external evaluation reports have been sent to the applicants, they have the opportunity to submit a rebuttal. Once the rebuttals are submitted, FWO will send you a new notification mail to invite you to write and submit a synthesis report for the applications for which you are appointed as rapporteur. You should again access the e-portal, navigating to the overview of your reviews under My Reviews. You can then access the proposals labeled as rapporteur, which will now have the status Invited. Again, use the pencil icon to access the actual evaluation form. The page which then appears is very similar to the one for submitting your internal evaluation reports, but this time you will additionally be able to download all the internal and external evaluation reports for the application, as well as the rebuttal. You will of course need these to write your synthesis report. Again, as you are working, please do not forget to save regularly and to press the Submit button. The next step of the evaluation process consists of preparing the panel meeting by reading, at the very least, the internal, external, and synthesis reports, as well as the rebuttals for the projects assigned to you. Ideally, you should have a look at these documents for all applications in your panel. In order to access these files, click on the Panel Member button, followed by the Reviews button, and then select the tab Library. Here you will find an overview of all panel documents. In the library, you find all documents related to the panel, including the applications, the internal and external reviews, the rebuttals, and the synthesis reports. You can order the library on the basis of the different categories, and you can also filter the documents. The library will be updated throughout the evaluation process. In short, here you should easily be able to find specific documents or sets of documents as you move through the evaluation process. If you want to download multiple documents simultaneously, there's an option to download in bulk, either all panel documents or a specific type of document, for example, all applications or all rebuttals, etc. After the panel meeting, a debriefing mail sent by your account administrator will kindly invite the rapporteur of each application to write a feedback report. These reports should take into account the internal and external evaluation reports, as well as the reactions on these reports by the applicants in the rebuttal. The feedback reports should be supplemented with the comments made during the panel meeting, reflecting the panel's final assessment of the application. The form for submitting the feedback reports is accessed by navigating to My Reviews. After the panel meeting, the status for your feedback reports will have changed to Invited. You can access the feedback report of an individual application by clicking on the pencil icon. The text of your original synthesis report will have been copied in the template for the feedback report. Please edit this to reflect the panel's evaluation and final decision regarding the application. You can gain access to the application. You can again access the application, download the reviews and rebuttal, and save your work. Fill out each step of the report, thus providing feedback on each aspect of the application. Once your feedback report has been completed, please press Submit. Finally, for a lot of the work you do as a panel member, you of course need to access, read, and assess the application submitted to your panel. These files can be downloaded via the e-portal as we have shown in this clip. As a panel member, you have access to all information submitted by the applicants. Since this means that application files may at times be comprehensive or even bulky, it is important that you know how to effectively and efficiently navigate these files and how they are structured. The files contain all information that the applicant submitted in the order in which they submitted it. This is the order of the application form. To help you find your way in this wealth of information, the file begins with a table of contents, in which each item is a clickable link that will lead you to the relevant section of the file. Please note that the project description is an attachment in the application file. Since this is a crucial element of the application, it is highlighted in blue. Please also note that to help you navigate these files in a smooth way, you can return to the table of contents from any page in the file by clicking the link in light blue. This also works should you be accessing the file in an offline setting. This concludes our guided tour of the technical aspects of working as an FWO expert panel member. Should you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact your administrative chair or your account administrator. Thank you for your attention, and for now, goodbye.